Tex, sit. Sit. Good boy, buddy. This is Tex. He's a 2-year-old neutered male German Shepherd mix. He was originally left in our night drop by his family with no information about him. So we named him Tex. He was adopted from us, but he was recently returned because he was being a little bit nippy. He also was very active and strong, which we can confirm he is a high energy, playful guy. He's also high energy towards other dogs. So he's dog friendly, but he's definitely gonna need to be with a dog who's tolerant of him jumping up on them. He's 90 pounds. He's available right now for adoption or to be pulled by a rescue group. Sit, sit, sit.
That's what I'm saying. Like, please come to reception. My parents have mastiffs and pups and stuff. They're more likely to be like pups than they are mastiffs.
Exactly, yeah.
That's sad to see. Like,